Tolerating briefly that you're searching for the land Luna 20 value expectation or finding the limit of the new Luna mint piece. This value surmise can specifically be important for you. Our land cost check depends upon a huge definitely specific evaluation. And the new demonstration of the new Luna mint piece here we actually are isolating the cost of land 20. Ultimately land 20 is the new kind of the land Luna that generally was once viewed as one of the basically top cryptographic money projects by the market cap. In May 2022, land confronted a colossal ruin and specifically lost its worth by 100. After the disaster, the land bundle chose to deliver off a new blockchain that ought to generally be known as land 20. The old land Luna mint piece actually was renamed Lunk, while the new land will specifically be referred to as Luna land. Actually is at this point one of the most strange practices in the crypto market. At any rate, its areas of strength for it's goodbye. The new land mint piece essentially take off and basically hit its new ATH level 1954 in only one day. Notwithstanding land 20 generally is right now giving hazardous signs. Since its day for the initial shot, land 20 literally has shown very wide improvement in the crypto market. Luna mint piece for the most part has given an unprecedented reappearance of its fundamental financial promoters in 2022, yet tumbled down in a few hours, as shown by its bound meaningful store and neighborhood. The unavoidable fate of land Luna 20 kind of is mind-blowing. The land currency costs engaged to a sensational particularly high ATH of 1954 in May 2022, precisely when all cryptos mostly are giving pretty negative signs in 2022. The land currencies show particularly is very bullish. Land currency, for the most part, has a genuine use case that specifically makes serious strong regions for it. According to our appraisal, the costs of land currency will really keep on filling in the going with 10 years beating the 200, particularly imprint before 10 years basically got done with tolerating ebb and flow improvement. For all intents and purposes go on with the land 20 can cross its new ATH level soon. There major areas of strength for actually are that land 20 can get again its situation in 2022. Land Luna 20 cost forecast 2022. As per our land 20 cost supposition, the land mint piece can contact a most ludicrous kind of worth level of 2516 near the consummation of 2022. The pretty normal typical cost of a land 20 mint piece mostly is 2143 relying available plan, while the base cost of land can kind of be down to 1665 for 2022. In the event that the market goes down anyway, in the event that the market bases on setting resources into the land project, the costs of land 20 could ascend generally higher than our cost check. Land Luna 20 cost forecast 2023. Land Luna really has stunning very potential, expecting you will for all intents and purposes hold it to whatever extent may be particularly plausible. As shown by our land really it can for all intents and purposes appear at a greatest definitely worth level of 3512 by 2023. In any case, the customary cost of Luna can mostly be around 3253. Furthermore, expecting there particularly is any very unfortunate model, the base cost of Luna tokens can kind of be down up to 2662. In the going with bull rally, the costs of land Luna might flood for all intents and purposes more than our pretty long Luna cost. For the most part, guess land Luna 20 cost forecast 2025 with additional undertaking and assembling land could develop its pretty worth in the joint 5 years by 2025. The standard definitely worth level of Luna can definitely be around 6172. Expecting momentum improvement keeps expecting the market gets bullish. The most preposterous cost of land could for the most part depend upon 6918 out of 2025, while the base cost can go down up to 5239. Regardless, in the event that there is any bull rally in 2025, Luna could mostly break all its basically past records and contact another record high. Land Luna 20 cost forecast 2030. This year can essentially be the changing year for the crypto market. Nearby land numerous cryptos qualities can essentially be at their pinnacle, as shown by our ceaseless Luna cost figure by 2030. Land can definitely appear at a generally over the top degree of 20,308. expecting that the Luna stage literally makes relationship with the sort of other blockchain stages and kind of starts new drives. The costs of land can generally require off in 2030, notwithstanding the year 2030 can end with a conventional cost of 18,538, with a base pretty worth level of 17,103 land Luna 20 cost expectation 2040. As per our land 20 statement, the land mint piece costs can definitely hit another ETH level this year by 2040. We could really expect a typical cost of 45,967 depending actually open model. Our most unmistakable cost presumption for land mint piece kind of is 49,694 out of 2040, while the base definitely worth level can for the most part be around 42,856, expecting that the market gets bullish, the land currency could flood for all intents and purposes, more than our land currency cost surmise in 2040. Land Luna 20 cost expectation 2050 land mint piece mostly has astonishing basically potential. Expecting you will hold it, to whatever extent may be fairly plausible. The year 2050 can end with a typical cost of 136,934, while the base very worth of land mint piece can be around 124,313. Actually nearby land mint piece different cryptos can mostly hit their new all-time actually high this year. Definitely the best cost ought to exchange around 140,159. Tolerating there really is any bull rally in 2050. The costs of land 20 might essentially take off and specifically beat our cost check. Will land Luna 20 arrive at 100 once pretty much more, as the land mint piece kind of crashed in 2022? Different crypto vendors basically are fascinated to know whether the land mint piece can contact 100. According to our land 20 cost particularly guess it can arrive at 100. In the going with 6 or 7 years land mint piece is a sort of striking motorized resource, with a confirmed use case. In like manner in the crypto market, the sky is the limit, as we mostly have basically found in the beyond an excellent bull rally, or for the most part bear rally can whip all of the cost. Definitely gauges like a burst, expecting more money related support are drawn to the land project. The cost of land mint piece can skyrocket, and it could hit its 100 community before our land currency kind of quote once much more notwithstanding after the kind of startling setback it's difficult for money-related support to take trust in the Luna project. Is land Luna 20 a sagacious undertaking? Land Luna is by and by considered one of the most eminent endeavors in the blockchain space by and by after the new incident before very long. Luna generally is maybe of the most risky robotized resource. Looking out the deficiency